Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add draw.io to your VS Code. So take for example, you are developing a mobile application, but you want to have a step-by-step guide on how you want each screen or each page of your mobile app or your web design to be like. That is what draw.io helps you to accomplish. So first, you need to make sure you have an active internet connection. And once you open your VS Code, I want you to come to the extension section of your VS Code. As soon as you click on it, I want you to type draw.io. After you have done that, you'll be shown different suggestions. I want you to click on the first one. Please take note of the logo that we are currently using in this video. I want you to install the draw.io integration. Take note of this logo. Most times you may be needed to restart your VS Code. So as soon as you have done that and it is active, I want you to come to your project file and I want you to create a new file. So all I just need to do is create a new file and I'm going to call it test.draw.io. So you make sure your spellings are correct. Test.draw.io. As soon as I click on enter, it will take few seconds and I'll be welcome to this page. So this is how you can add your draw.io to your VS Code. So in this section now, I can design anything I want. I can add a step-by-step guide to how I want my application to be like. And that is how you can add um, draw.io to your VS Code. So for example, a user, I want them to log in first, then they can add 3 more details as soon as they log in. So you can use that to create a wonderful step-by-step flow chart on how you want your app to look like. So this is just a sample. You can edit it anyhow you want it to be like. So that is how you can add draw.io to your mobile application.